what's guys? Jordan videos. Jordan back at another video, and we're so scared right now. We're packing because I'm packing my camera, my shoes, and my phone. That's my pack. Right, that's my survival kit. Right, so wait, where's Kaylee's? Here, wait for her.
Hurry up.
Hey, so the fire alarm went on, and they're checking a whole bunch of stuff. We shouldn't even be out here, but there's so many people out. I put it on my Snapchat. It's so crazy. So we're going on the elevator. Where are we going? Wait, we can't leave Kaylee's in them.
Where's Ava?
She's with Kaylee's.
No, she's not.
Yes, she is. Wait, Kaylee's in the room.
Are you serious? Ava.
Damn.
Ava.
She's in the room.
Wait, you guys, we need to go back to the other
This is. There's more people down
Oh my
here.
god, that's the wrong one.
You're stupid. That's my mom's room. Hey. Bro, I hope that's the thumbnail. I didn't get to choose the thumbnail.
Do you have a key? Yeah.
Are you guys coming with us?
Ava, come on, let's go. We're leaving now.
Let's go. Woo, I'll get back to us. Like, guys, so it was a false alarm because somebody pulled it like a retard. So they pulled it. So it said in every room. Like, for example, here, there's one over here. No, let's tell them. Right here. Let's see if I can find one. I just saw one. There's alarms. Where are they, man?
Here's one right here.
How to show them?
She goes to be a host.
Where? Huh? A fire alarm.
Jan. Bro, I swear if there was an actual emergency, all these people are gonna get hurt. Yeah.
Not me, I'm smart. Alright, so example. So somebody pulled this, pull it down, push, fire alarm. Somebody did that. Retard. Guys, it's like 2 in the morning. It is 1:40, 1:39. Yeah, 1:39. We're tired. Oh, sorry, I have makeup. I still have makeup on and I was talking to people. They probably think I'm on crack.
I mean, they don't have to think.
Is it obvious?
Yeah, watch out.
Oh, because my cousin did makeup on me. Oh my god. Right, I'll talk to you guys later. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff. And we are out.